Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Twitter. And we already talked about Twitter in the training part of it, but I want to just show you live how to use some of the features of Twitter. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to twitter.com, and if you are new to Twitter, just go to Get Started and click on Join. And once you do that, you're going to put in your full name, your username, and this would be a username like either your full name all run together, your business name, whatever name you want to choose. Just come up with a username that you want to brand yourself with. Put in a password and an email, and then just choose Create My Account. And it's going to be very, very simple as that. So one of the things you want to do when you go to Twitter is I'm just going to log into my account here real quick. Okay, so I am logged in here to my Twitter account, and if I wanted to make a post, right where it says "What are you doing?" this is where you type out your post. So you just type out things like, hello Twitter, and then you could just choose update if you wanted to. So that's where you type out your post within Twitter. Now, one thing where we talked about the at replies, if you want to choose at right there, you can actually see what people are replying to you. So notice this person said, at right there. Also, right in here, you've got your direct messages. And then beyond that, you've also got a variety of different features back here as well that you can tap into. So if, let's say, you want to go up here to find people because you want to find people to start following on Twitter, you would just, type in things like, let's say, what are you looking for? So you could type in a keyword like, let's say, weight loss as an example. And let's just say we're in the weight loss niche. Now what's interesting is right here you see this person named weight loss. They've got 3,421 followers. So you could actually click on that and then go right in here and then go to where it says followers, and you could go through and start following each of these people because they tend to be interested in that topic of weight loss. So that's something to keep in mind if that was your niche. Same thing goes if you were to type in like, let's just say, SEO in there, search engine optimization as an example. Notice this guy SEO Joe has 31,000 followers. So if I were to click on that and I could choose, follow him, and then I could go over here to followers, and I could just start following some of these people, because they are obviously kind of interested in SEO because they're following this guy. So I'm just going through the process and just starting to follow those people. So that's how you can find new people, and as you follow people, you're going to end up getting some more Twitter followers. So those are some of the basic functions. You could also utilize the search function on Twitter. So just do a search right here, and let's say you type in whatever your niche market in. So let's just say bird watching, if that was a niche that you were interested in. This would bring up people that have done tweets about bird watching. And so you could say, wow, these people are obviously interested in bird watching. So I'm going to, go ahead and click on, their name and maybe follow them because they're interested in that subject, or maybe weight loss as an example. So these people are all interested in weight loss. So you could just go through each of these people and you start following them. So that's how you use the search.twitter function. You could also do a Twitter of your name, so type in your name up there and just see what kind of results come back. You could try things like, I'd like to, maybe you do things like lose weight. And this might bring up people that want to lose weight, for example. So you might follow them because you have a report about weight loss. Or maybe you do things like, SEO help, and so then you could reach out if you offered SEO help, and maybe you could help them out. So, you could do your searches by, exact matches as well. You could go through looking for SEO help. I've got a lot of SEO help plugins, and you might find somebody that says they are in need of SEO help. So you just might come across somebody that does, and you might be able to help them out. So that's something to keep in mind. So that's how you can use all the search.twitter function built up inside of Twitter. So to get back there, we'll just go to twitter.com, and then you can just type out what you're doing and choose update, and that will automatically update your Twitter for you. And when you're done, just choose sign out. And one other thing that I want to show you within your Twitter account is how to go about setting up your avatar. Since that is so important, you want to make sure that you have a picture of some sort. So you're just going to go up to settings and you're going to choose picture, and then you just simply choose browse. So again, you go settings and then you choose picture, and then you would just go ahead and select browse, and then it will take you through your computer where you're just going to upload a picture that's related to what you are. So you can also inside the settings here select notices. So if you want to get an email every time you get a direct message, you could set up Twitter so you can do stuff on your phone with Twitter. You could set up your new account password from back in there. You could change your email there. You could change your URL. This is very important. Just so your more info URL, you want to make sure that you put a link to your site, and that's found under settings. So make sure you're doing that, and then put a short little bio about who you are, and then put maybe your location as well, so like where you're located and what you do, and then keep your username, or you could change that, but most cases you just want to keep your username as it is. So that's how you use the functions of Twitter. And when you're writing out your post, you only have 140 characters. You want to keep your messages short, and then just choose update. And that's again how you use Twitter. And Twitter is a huge place that you should be using as a social media platform for getting great targeted traffic.